I don't deserve her. And though I love her till I die, I know that I must leave her. She said no, our love goes deeper than this. She said no, our love goes deeper than this.
Sent a rose, a blackened rose, to atone for my mistreatings. But when she pressed it to her breast, it pierced her flesh and left her bleeding. I know that I should lose her now. It's true, I don't deserve her. Though I love her till I die, now I must desert her.